Hi, my name is Kat, and today I'll be reviewing the EMF radiation-free headphones by DefenderShield. Just got this package this morning, and I've opened the main package, but I haven't unpacked this yet because I want to do it together. All I know is that it comes in a hard case, which I love. We love a nice protective case so that things don't get damaged. Here we go. For those of you who don't know, anything wireless, so like Bluetooth speakers, headphones, microphones, they emit a small amount of radiation called EMF radiation. And for your own peace of mind, you might not want that. That's where these guys come in. Wired headphones generally don't have radiation anyway, but these ones, oh, look how pretty. It's so neat. These ones went an extra step. So these ones use the air tube technology, which is like a hollow air tube, similar to what you would see in a stethoscope that doctors use to remove that risk altogether. Lovely. I'll confess it's been a while since I've had wired headphones, but you know what I miss about wired headphones? You don't need to charge them. They're not going to stop your music when you're out on the run. And, ooh, okay, something different about these. I've never had that before. I don't know if you can see, but they're kind of slightly curved inwards so that they fit your ear better, presumably. Let's plug it in. Okay. Can you hear the difference in sound quality? Can you hear the difference in the microphone? Before I plugged it in, that was just my phone. And now hopefully it's catching sound from this built-in mic. It's got a little toggle to do sound control, playback, and volume. And oh, we haven't unpackaged fully because there's this little pouch as well. Let's see what's inside. Oh, okay. So we've got extra caps. So these ones have like a thing that goes into the ear. They're different sizes. Got regular caps, again good for people with different sized ears, and we've got a couple of clips, quite useful. So I'm going to be trying these headphones out over the next couple of days. I'm quite active, so I'm definitely going to try them out when I go for a run. I would also like to use these for work, so I'll try it with my laptop as well. I'm freshly back from an outdoor run using DefenderShield earbuds, and I'm happy to report they stayed in my ear the entire time. I did change into the caps that go more fully into your ear, but I think if you do any kind of dynamic sports, that's a good idea. And they come in different sizes, which was really handy. Like I tried them on, found the one that works for my ears. The other thing that was really handy, because it's still winter time and I was wearing gloves, is having the controls available, because then I could increase the volume or stop the music at any point without having to take off my gloves to use touchscreen on my phone. The only nuance here is that you have to be quite strategic with how you layer your clothing in the winter so that the wires don't tangle in. So for the final test, I just worked for about an hour and a half in a cafe. As you can imagine, there's a lot of background noise, so cancelling that out was a big bonus. I had a couple of phone calls so people could still hear me, and I was also doing some video editing. You can probably imagine that it's important to hear what's going on in the video, so the quality was really good. The bonus thing for me was that these headphones came with the USB-C connection, which fits both my phone and my laptop. But I know that it also comes with the jack port for anyone who has a different type of device. Personally, I was happy with the way these earbuds performed in both situations, and the braided cable should hopefully make sure that they last a while. I'm happy with the sound quality, happy with the mic quality. My biggest pro by a long shot is the fact that they stay in my ears. I think these are the first earbuds that I've worn that haven't just fallen out randomly, especially during the movement. If you want to read full review, including tech specs, head over to yogiitimes.com.